We are ready for you at Hobby Airport. We are making sure that this airport is clean, that it's sanitized and disinfected for you. We have some really nice new technology. We have what's called a Titan sprayer. It's a spray machine that we actually put some Oxivir chemical in. Oxivir has a 1-minute dwell time. We spray it on the children's play area, for example, on the seatings around the terminal so that the passengers can sit on clean chairs. We go in and we do restrooms deep cleaning at night, and then we come back in and we actually spray it down with that Oxivir so that way it's all disinfected. Hobby Airport's doing everything that we can to have the most up-to-date technology so that we're prepared to keep the airport and terminal clean. We have the scrubber. We can actually come out, set the machine up, push a button, and it will run that course that we've trained it on, and it will actually make sure it finishes the entire course. Even if it comes up to somebody and it has to stop, think about, hey, I've got an obstruction, it'll go around it, continue the scrubbing, and come back to that same spot eventually in that cycle and clean it. So everything gets cleaned. When you come to Hobby Airport, you're going to see some signs on the outside of the building and even coming inside that talks about social distancing and wearing a mask. We want a safe environment for the passengers to be able to come here and feel comfortable and to go on to their travels. Our staff is working really hard. We work 3 shifts, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. On all 3 shifts, we make sure that we are cleaning the restrooms, the floors, dumping the trash. We're disinfecting all of the touch points throughout the day. We're trying really hard to make sure that we're providing that environment for the passengers so that they will feel safe to be at Hobby Airport.